Welcome to 21st Century Inklings. Nano National Novel Writing Month Post-Mortem. Okay, I was like, for Nano Challenge is 50,000 words in the month of November, so 50,000 in 30 days. I had 50,000 words, 50,034 words in the month of November. Somewhat designed to encourage writing a little bit every single day. I wrote every single day. I actually pushed into December writing every single day. It's like we had an event on the 2nd that kind of cut that off. But I wrote every single day, and from November 1st to December 1st. I'll keep restarting that chain as soon as I finish with this video. What went really well, like I said earlier, I did the 50,000 words in 30 days, actually a little bit more than that. And I wrote every single day. But it was from 58 words to well over 5,000. Kind of like roller coaster sort of kind of dynamics. Make it less roller coaster in the future. Number one, accepting as a writer with a day job, I'm only going to do most of my writings on the weekends. And so 2 goals. I'm going to do 1 phrase of writing, roughly 250 words on my lunch hour every single day, at least as much as possible. Sometimes it doesn't happen, but roughly. And then like 1,000 or 2,000 words Saturday, Sunday. Obviously, depending on the schedule. I also noticed that I could use a more mobile writing office, at least more mobile plotting uses. My lovely traveling sections, are a whole letter sheet, and that's kind of getting a little bulky. So next time I'll be looking into index cards. One place I saw that was at Heart Breathing's channel here on YouTube. Some thoughts for writing future books, as well as more mobile, since I'm a writer with a day job. I also found that the food stuff was kind of hard. Like, I didn't really meal plan like I should have. And now I'm thinking about it, how do I meal plan better so that it doesn't take like what limited evening time I have to write. So I can get, a couple more phrases maybe on a semi-regular basis during the evenings. So yeah, more money planning in the future. And general time management. When I had lots of time, sometimes I would mess around more than I really should. So I've been looking into, I did writing crawls. So, okay, one challenge of the writing crawl, whether it's like, hey, it's half an hour to write. I write for half an hour, typically with music. Wonderful. Movie themes. Typically this month has been Star Wars. And then from there, just writing. However, I need to do a little more structured writing than I have been doing. So maximize a little more of my evenings and not spend like the entire day having to write 5,000 words. And we'll be doing some videos on, okay, this is what 2023 was like. Let's see what we can do in 2024. far as writing, particularly those like that time management, menu planning, uh, mobile writing office. Uh, in the it was like in the month to come. Until then, happy writing.